Yes, children, 12th standard, 10 commerce. Next question, retirement of partner. Question 6, I'll continue. Now again in question 6, if you see old ratio is given, new ratio is also given. So we have to find out the gain ratio. So children, gain ratio you know, new minus old. So what is the old ratio given? Old ratio equal to 4:3:2. New ratio given? Yes. How much? New ratio is 2:1. 2:1. So therefore gain ratio. Gain ratio equal to new ratio minus old ratio. Okay. So first one is Mohit. Mohit is M's gain ratio. New ratio 4/9. Mohit is with new ratio minus old, मतलब Mohit will be 2/3 minus 4/9. Okay. Then second one here Virat gain ratio. New minus old. Here it is Mohit is 3. Yes. And here you will get 2/9. So here you will get 3/9 and here you will get 1/9. So therefore gain ratio is equal to 3:1. Okay, 3:1. Simple children, new minus old. And who is getting retired children? Rohit. So Rohit is the first one. Rohit, Mohit and Virat. So who is getting retired? Rohit. I always tell the person who is going out, put him in the circle. Okay, so you will not make mistake. Okay, so this is about the gain ratio. Now children, gain ratio where you are going to use in your goodwill. I'll work out, then what we can do the sum. So working. Goodwill is equal to, what is the value of new goodwill given here? 1,80,000. बराबर? उसमें what is Rohit share है, circle for you to easy working. 4/9. So 4/9, what will be this? Is share in goodwill 80,000. Very simple. I have circled it. Rohit is going out. His share is 4/9. So our value of goodwill is 1,80,000. So his share in goodwill will be 4/9, and 4/9 means 80,000. Now this 80,000, the old partners will give Rohit in their gain ratio. Gain ratio is 3:1. Okay, so I am writing journal entry. I will write to make your work easy. So journal entry will be what children, as you know, gain ratio. So I write M's share in goodwill is equal to 80,000 in gain ratio. 80 multiplied by 3/4, and Virat's share in goodwill 80 multiplied by 1/4. So either I will go around 60,000 and here you will get rupees 20,000. Rupees 60,000. Okay. What will be the entry children, as I told you? Mohit capital account debit. Then Virat capital account debit to the person who is going. Rohit's capital account 80, either 60, either 20. Okay. And old goodwill you have to write off. Old goodwill you are going to write off on the debit side of capital account in the old ratio. Yes, okay. So this is the working for your goodwill. Old ratio is given, new ratio is also given, it is retirement sum, so gain ratio means new ratio minus old ratio. The new ratio is 2/3 and minus old ratio is 3/9. Total you have to include the old one also. Okay. Now Virat also gain ratio new and 1/3 minus 2/9, so 1/9. So it is 3:1. 3:1 working of goodwill 1,80,000 you have to 4/9 80,000 you have to give to the partners, or the old partners will give to the new partner. So this is working. The remaining all the adjustments are very easy, children. You all will able to work out. Okay. So we will work out now. See the first one. So this working is clear to you. I am going to draw revaluation account. So you will draw now revaluation account. Draw roughly and be ready. And try to work out the first one. Revaluation account, partners capital account and balance. As I told you here, cash account we don't have to draw because the new partner is going out. Nothing we will bring, but we will take. So here we will draw revaluation account for 4 to 5 lines. Partners capital account. Three partners are there. Rohit, Mohit, Virat, okay, and balance sheet I will draw. Balance sheet after retirement. Okay. I think you can see full board also, so we can draw it on this side. Balance sheet. Okay, first one, children. First one, value of land and building is 1,80,000. So land and building in your book value is given 1,50,000. Now it has become 1,80,000. So how much has been increased now at present? 30,000. So asset increase is land and building by land and building. Okay, how much? 30,000. I think revaluation you don't need any explanation now. Next adjust. Okay. इसका second effect we will write balance sheet में asset side land and building. Land and building was 1,20,000 plus 30. So it has become 1,50,000. One lakh 50 plus 30, so it became 1,50,000. This. Okay. Then second adjustment, children, value of machine is to be reduced by 15,000. So reduce matlab decrease. So machine, to machine, 15,000. Second effect, machine. What is the value given in the balance sheet? In the balance sheet, machine is with 90,000. So 90,000 minus 15,000. 15,000 reduce करना है. तो outside कितना आएगा? माइनस करके देखो. You will get 75,000. This is second. Okay. Then third adjustment, children. Provision for debts, you have to keep 10%. Debtors are given 60,000. 60,000 का 10% will become 6,000. And old BDR is how much? 4,000. And new BDR, how much you have to keep? 6,000. So how much has been increased? 2,000. So 2,000 BDR provision revaluation debit side 2 BDR. Okay, 6 minus 4. 2 ज़्यादा है, ज़्यादा करना है. तो 2,000 we will write down the revaluation debit side. And balance sheet में debtors, your debtors were of rupees 60,000. And new BDR, I am writing for you, new BDR 6. The outside it will be 54. Okay, here and the second effect is on the balance sheet side. Then next adjustment, children, 5,000 are not to be paid. 5,000 creditors are not to be paid. Very common one. By creditors, liability decrease. 5,000. Second effect, liabilities. Creditors. Creditors, how many are given in the balance sheet? 64. So 64 minus 5. So how much will be creditors outside? 59,000. 59,000. Okay, so creditors has been reduced. Next adjustment, valuation of goodwill is 1,80,000. That we have worked out, new goodwill. Then new profit and loss ratio also we have worked out. Last one report 20,000 is paid to रोहित. मतलब जो भी डिफरेंस आएगा ना, तो वो हम लोग डिफरेंस में लिखेंगे टू कैश. रोहित को हम लोग 20,000 दे देंगे. और बाकी का और भी जो बचेगा वो टू लोन आएगा. 2 hours loan करके अगर बचेगा तो. Okay, so this is given and this will be the difference of when we will work out full sum we will able to work. Okay, so with this we complete all the adjustment. Now look on the capital liability side. Reserve fund. Reserve fund. Capital give to the partners. Reserve fund. First we will write balance brought down. By balance brought down. How much was the capital of all three? Capital for 1,60,000, 96,000 and 80,000. ठीक है. फिर आएगा बाय जनरल रिजर्व. जनरल रिजर्व का ब्रेक होएगा 20,000, 15,000 and 10,000. ओके, अभी और क्या दिया है? लायबिलिटी साइड पे चेक करो. रिजर्व फॉर वर्कमैन कॉम्पनसेशन रिजर्व, दैट आल्सो वी हैव टू गिव. तो बाय वर्कमैन कॉम्पनसेशन रिजर्व, कम ऑन वर्कमैन कॉम्पनसेशन रिजर्व आल्सो गिव अ ब्रेक इन ओल्ड रेशियो 6,000, 4,500 and 3,000. This is the break for workman compensation reserve. Okay, then partners loan is given, Rohit and Mohit. Okay, creditors we have finished. Now look on the asset side. Goodwill 36,000 goodwill. So this is old goodwill. So 2 old goodwill write off. Write off. Come on, give. Old ratio में सब तीनों को goodwill 16,000, 12,000 and 8,000. All three goodwill. Okay. What else on the asset side? देखो land building machinery stock. I told you to see page 174 to advertisement campaign expense. It is deferred revenue expense. Again you have to distribute 2000 1000 लॉस भी होएगा तो इधर आएगा P&L लॉस. ओके सो एडवर्टाइजमेंट एक्सपेंस अकाउंट भी इधर ब्रेक होएगा 45 का 2000 1500 और 1000. ओके बैंक है 63. सो चिल्ड्रन बैंक हम लोग बाद में लिखेंगे क्योंकि इधर है ना इसको कैश देना 20,000. तो आई विल ड्रॉ अ स्मॉल बैंक अकाउंट ऑफ वन लाइन. तो इधर मैं लिखूंगी टू कैश, नहीं तो टू बैंक ही लिखेंगे क्योंकि बैंक बैलेंस है. टू बैंक बैलेंस ब्रॉट डाउन. हाउ मच वाज द बैंक बैलेंस ब्रॉट डाउन हियर? हाउ मच वाज द ओल्ड बैंक बैलेंस व्हिच इज गिवन हियर? 63. ओके कीप इट 63,000. and this cash is debited. So I will write there on the credit side by partners Rohit by adds capital account 20,000. Okay, now 63 में से 20 minus the 63 में से 20 माइनस करेंगे तो क्या आएगा? बैलेंस कैरी फॉरवर्ड क्या आएगा? बाय बैलेंस कैरी फॉरवर्ड नया बैलेंस शीट में कितना लिखेंगे हम लोग? 43,000. तो ये है तुम्हारा 43,000 इधर बैंक. ओके मैंने वर्कआउट किया है चिल्ड्रन 43,000 इधर बैंक मैंने वर्कआउट किया है. दिस इज बैलेंस शीट. Okay, so I have worked out one bank because one cash account was there. So with this we complete the asset side and also the liability side. Liability side में loan है, मोहित की loan है. That मोहित loan we will write here. मोहित loan and loan. How much? 16,000. But रोहित loan I will write inside. पहले जूना loan भी है, नया loan भी वो दे रहा है. तो रोहित लोन इन ओल्ड बैलेंस शीट चिल्ड्रन was 10,000. 10,000. Okay. And new loan is also given that we will write when I will get the difference amount. So now evaluation total we can do. So this side is 30 plus 5 means 35. Here also 35. Minus करो तो ये प्रॉफिट आएगा तुम्हारा डिफरेंस अमाउंट आएगा 18. ओके और ये साइड आया मतलब टू प्रॉफिट. ओल्ड रेशियो में दे दो. ओल्ड रेशियो ट्रांसफर टू कैपिटल अकाउंट. सो वी विल गिव रोहित, मोहित और मीरा 8,000, 6,000 and 4,000. This is the profit which you have to carry here by revaluation profit. 8,000, 6,000 or 4,000. Okay, so revaluation भी अपना complete. अभी partners capital account अपन total करेंगे. So we will do the total of partners capital account. But one entry is there, that is our goodwill. Now children, I told you कि ये वाले सब में है ना आपको एक रफ एंट्री लिख के रखना पड़ेगा तो अपने को पोस्टिंग इजी रहेगा. तो मोहित, विराट टू रोहित ऐसे है. मोहित है 60, फिर ये है 20 और ये है 80. ओके करेक्ट. 80,000 उसका शेयर था ना तो 80 आएगा. ओके एटी आएगा. तो अभी देखो मोहित और मीरा डेबिट है तो आई विल गो ऑन द डेबिट साइड एंड आई विल राइट क्रेडिट एंट्री. और क्रेडिट एंट्री इज एड्स कैपिटल. लेकिन कॉलम में कौन सा लिखूंगी? मोहित और ये. तो ये कितना आएगा तुम्हारा 60 और ये आएगा 20. बराबर. जब मैं रोहित એટલે क्रेडिट साइड पे जाऊंगी तो मैं डेबिट एंट्री लूंगी बाय एम्स कैपिटल ने बाय बीस कैपिटल, दोनों गुडविल कैपिटल है। और कॉलम कौन सा लिखूंगी, ये मोहित और विराट नहीं तो रोहित नहीं, तो कितना आएगा इधर भी 60 80 को ही ब्रेक करेंगे क्योंकि दो को लेना है। ओके 60 एंड 20, तो बिकॉज यू आर राइटिंग इन रोहित अकाउंट। ओके सो नाउ यू विल डू द टोटल ऑफ which column? Okay, as you have brought down your balance brought down, here you can bring down the loan also. So by R's loan is start करेंगे by R's loan balance sheet का जूना वाला 10,000. Okay, so the total रोहित का टोटल आएगा 2,84,000. 2,84,000 and this one Mohit is 1,21,500. 1,21,500 and this one is 97,000. Okay, now minus. We will minus. Now I told you leave one line, but I will written here. So you will write here to balance carry forward. पहले column में नहीं आएगा because he is leaving. So when you do the total 2,84,000 and you subtract 16, 2 and 20, you will get the difference amount 2,46,000, which is loan and which is to be written in new balance sheet. ठीक है 2,46,000 अभी आर्स लोन में डायरेक्ट 10,000 उधर इफेक्ट दे दिया है, तो इधर आएगा तुम्हारा 2 लाख, here you will get 2,46,000 ऐसे ये वाला, और ये दोनों का कैरेट फॉरवर्ड आएगा 48,000 और इसका आएगा 68,000. टोटल बोथ साइड सेम करो and you will get this. और ये दोनों का कैपिटल का लिखेंगे बैलेंस शीट. I will rub this. इधर हम लोग कैपिटल of Mohit and Virat. Mohit is with 48 and Virat is with 68. Total will come 1,16,000. Okay, 1,16,000. So total तुम्हारा आएगा 4,37,000. इधर भी 4,37,000. This is your balance. Okay children, the sum was easy, nothing was new, but only the thing is that goodwill entry you have to write and then we have to post. Your oral work will not do. Okay, and posting also I have shown you very easy way to debit account, go to the debit side and write credit entry. But when you write credit entry you have to write the amount of debit. Amount of debit का मतलब क्या है, R है तो R के कॉलम में नहीं लिखना है, तो हम लोग कौन से कॉलम में अमाउंट लिखेंगे यार, we will write in the M and B column. When R credit है तो credit side you will go and write the debit entry. I will write the debit entry, but amount in which R's capital. Okay, so this is question number 6 children. One more question I want to do, that is question number 7. Yes children, question 7. Page number 266. Question 7, page number 266. Okay, working. Old ratio is given, new ratio is also given, therefore gain ratio. Okay, so what is your old ratio? Your children, first they have given adjustment and then they have given balance sheet and the remaining information. So in this question, children, first the adjustment is given. So let us see the adjustment number 1. Vijay, Lakshmi and Siddhi. Vijay, Lakshmi and Siddhi. What was their old ratio? 5, 3, 2. What is their new ratio now? 2:3. Who is retiring? New ratio of Lakshmi and Vijay and Lakshmi. So Siddhi is retiring. So I told you the person who retires put in the circle because it will be easy for us to write the remaining entry. So this 2 are 2 is to 3. Okay. So GR. Gain ratio equal to new ratio minus old ratio. So Vijay is GR. This is just like rough work only GR. Okay, so और Vijay का new ratio क्या है? 2/5 minus 5/10. इसका लक्ष्मी का 3/5 minus old one कितना था? 3/10 equal to. So you will work out the gain ratio in the first adjustment. And gain ratio here, when you work out with LCM and all, you will get Vijay is getting minus 1/10. Now gain ratio and minus का मतलब क्या है? Sacrifice. उल्टा होता है, तुमको पता है माइनस हो जाता है. तो children here you will get 4 minus is equal to minus 1/10. So it is bracket में sacrifice. और this one is 6 minus 3/10. You will get 3/10. So that is gain. So therefore, who is going to get all the benefit? L मतलब Lakshmi. Lakshmi will get full gain. That is 3/10. ठीक है, पूरा 3/10 नहीं, जो भी आएगा वो उसका ही. Whatever he or she will get is his. Now children, here also the second working goodwill. Gain ratio we have found out. So this is my first working. My second working is goodwill. New goodwill, that is new goodwill. Valued at new and old means in the balance sheet. So new goodwill. What is the value of goodwill? Rupees 60,000. Okay. So what will be Siddhi's share? S share. Yeah, now you should know this. 60 multiplied by 2/10. So you will get how much here? Siddhi will get 10. So 6 × 12. So 12 is going to get that. Vijay's share. Whenever there is gain, we will find out on full. So Vijay's share in goodwill will be 60,000 multiplied by 1/10. So you will get 6,000. And what it is? It is sacrifice. Okay? And Lakshmi's L share in goodwill is equal to 60,000 multiplied by 3/10. So you will get 18,004. And here you will get 612. Okay. So here children, in minus you are getting, when you find out gain and you get in minus, that is sacrifice. Now the entries are same as we have done in admission. In admission we were writing gain person debit. Now here we will write sacrifice person credit. So I am writing the journal entry here for you. You know that the debit and the credit amount should always be same. So you will know how to write the entry. So the person who is leaving is Siddhi. The person who is going out as retired person is Siddhi. So Siddhi's capital account is credited. But there is one more who is gain, who is sacrificing. So his Vijay's, that account will also be credited. And whose account will be debited? Lakshmi. With how much? 18. And 12 plus 6? 18. 12 plus 6? 18. So I am writing the journal entry for you here. Journal entry. What will be? That will be else capital account debit. Else capital account debit with 18,000. To Siddhi's जो जा रहा है, Siddhi's capital account debit 12,000. And to Vijay's capital account, how much? Sacrifice 6,000. This is sacrifice. This and posting we will do as we were doing. Okay, so this will be the journal entry for goodwill. Here children we have found out the gain ratio, but in gain ratio I got one answer in minus. So minus means ulta. Ulta means when you find gain ratio, minus will be sacrifice. Okay, and this is gain. So what is the goodwill value? 60,000. Now what is the Siddhi said? Is 2 upon 10. How I found out? Old ratio देखो 2 upon 10. तो उसका share के amount how much it will get? 12,000. The other one is sacrifice. That also we have to find out. So 61 upon 10. So 6,000 is sacrifice. And the third one is 63 upon 10 full gain. So 18,000. So children, 18,000 is debited because she is the only gainer. She is only the benefit person. So she will give 12,000 to Siddhi and 6,000 to Vijay. Okay, so this will be the entry for retirement. अगर हम लोग एडमिशन वाला चैप्टर करते हैं तो हम लोग कैसे करते थे कि जो एडमिशन वाला नया आया वो और सेक्रीफाइस એટલે माइनस आएगा तो गेन होएगा वो भी डेबिट एंड टू द ओल्ड पार्टनर्स कैपिटल. ओके, सो इट इज रिवर्स. सी रिटायर्ड इज दिस वन. ओके, सो दिस इज अबाउट द goodwill entry. Now after goodwill entry children just have a look in the adjustment number 1 हो गया, 2 हो गया, थर्ड वन देखो children, adjustment number 3. Adjustment number 3. This is adjustment number 1. This is adjustment number 2. Okay. Working under easily entry, you know, account are same as we have. Now children in adjustment number 3 देखो क्या दिया है. In adjustment number 3 market value of investment is 40,000. Which is taken over by Siddhi, means capital taken over by Siddhi. Siddhi लेके गई. Okay. Now before Siddhi takes, we have to compare. See the investments which are given in the balance sheet. In the balance sheet, I'll write it. Old balance sheet देखो ऐसे. Old balance sheet में investment asset side is 60,000. And on the liability side investment funds. अपने पास funds कितना है? Reserve investment fluctuating fund 15,000. This is your old balance sheet. And now market value अपना कितना आएगा? 40. This is the case. This is the full one adjustment, which we have to compare and see whether we have run in loss or we have some profit left from the old reserve which I made. If something is left, we will give to the partners in their old ratio. But if something is not left from the old one, we have to make new provision. This is the steps which we are going to do. Now see children, in the balance sheet they have given the value of investment is 60,000. In adjustment they have said that the market value has become 40,000. So children, from 60,000 that is CP we will take, our market value अभी हमको मिलेगा 40,000. तो मेरा लॉस कितना होगा चिल्ड्रन? 20,000 लॉस, नहीं तो रिड्यूस, नहीं तो डिक्रीज वैल्यू या लॉस. कितना मेरे को लॉस होएगा? 20,000. अभी ये लॉस के सामने मैंने लायबिलिटी साइड में पहले कुछ थोड़ा रिजर्व रखा है टू मेंटेन द लॉस, टू कॉम्पनसेट द लॉस. लेट अस सी 15,000. How much I have? My loss is how much? 20,000. How much I have in hand reserve to meet the loss, to balance the loss, to compensate the loss, to reduce the loss? 15,000 in my hand. So out of 20,000, 50,000 fund I have. So now my net loss will be how much? 5,000. So my loss is how much? 5,000. And here in the investment nothing will be remaining to give the old partners. On the contrary, I have to make new provision for 5,000. I have to make new provision for 5,000. And children, provision where we make, you know, where we are going to make the provision in our revaluation account. Debit side. What you will write? 5,000. And what you will write? Investment. What you are going to write? Okay, I will write this. You are going to write debit side of revaluation account. Investments loss. Investment लिखेंगे हम, ठीक है? ऐसे लिखेंगे. तो ये है तुम्हारा थर्ड एडजस्टमेंट जो हमको all three side we have to see. Investment 60, but I will get 40. So 20 loss. To loss I have funds. Yes, I have. How much? 15. So what will be my net new provision to get for the 5,000? 5,000 revaluation debits which you are going to make. Revaluation debit side loss. ठीक है? लॉस नहीं लिखेंगे हम लोग, इन्वेस्टमेंट लिखेंगे क्योंकि इन्वेस्टमेंट में हमको कवर करना है, प्रोविजन करना है इसलिए. ठीक है? तो ये है तुम्हारा पूरा वर्किंग थर्ड के लिए. इधर अभी जूने बैलेंस शीट में कुछ भी नहीं बचा ओल्ड पार्टनर को देने के लिए. सो इट विल बी राइट. सो दिस इज एडजस्टमेंट नंबर 3. नेक्स्ट सी एडजस्टमेंट. अच्छा, सिद्धि विल टेक ओवर. तो चिल्ड्रन, सिद्धि विल टेक ओवर मींस सिद्धि विल इन द डेबिट साइड ऑफ कैपिटल अकाउंट. डेबिट साइड ऑफ कैपिटल अकाउंट 40,000 investment in Siddhi's column. Okay, so that is I have written debit side of capital account. Now the next one, 3,000 to be written off for debtor and 5,000 5% DDR to be maintained. Now children, debtors are how many? See in your list, 23,000. How much? Adjustment number 4. Debtors are how much? 23,000. What is the debtors? 23,000. And now how much provision we have to make? 5%. How much provision we have to make? 5%. So 5% of debtors will be how much, children? 5%. So debtors 23,000 minus बैड डेब्ट्स 3000, सो डेटर्स रहेंगे बैलेंस शीट में 20,000, उसका 5% मेरे को नया बीडीआर करना है, तो 5% मेरा बीडीआर कितना होगा 1000, 5% मेरा न्यू बीडीआर कितना होगा 1000. So now this 5% BDR will be 1000, but old BDR was how much, children? Old BDR was how much? This is balance sheet side, which you will write here 19,000 as debtors. Okay. Now in our adjustment, what is given? 5% BDR. Okay. तो 5% BDR हमने कैलकुलेट किया, कितना आया 1000. 5% BDR न्यू BDR हमने कैलकुलेट किया बैड डेब्ट्स माइनस करने के बाद, तो कितना आया 1000. लेकिन जूना BDR अपने पास कितना था चिल्ड्रन? व्हाट वाज ओल्ड BDR? सी ओल्ड BDR हमेशा ध्यान रखना है, इधर भी देंगे नहीं तो वो लायबिलिटी साइड भी देंगे, लेकिन ये इधर ही माइनस किया है. सो हाउ मच इज द ओल्ड BDR? 4000. 4000. हाउ मच इज द ओल्ड BDR? 4000. Children, look here. Medium, old. Please look. Reserve. Old reserve, how much I had? 4,000. But now, how much I have to keep? Only 1,000. Only 1,000. So, how much I have reduced? 3,000. So, when BDR reduces, you will write revaluation credit side. Come on. So, which side we will write this reduction of 3,000? Revaluation credit side. Because BDR reserve provision we have to reduce 4,000 से 1,000 तक, इससे reduce हुआ 3,000 और नया BDR रखा है 1,000, which I have given effect in the balance sheet. This is balance sheet new effect. Okay, so old reserve in my hand, I had 4,000, which is given on the debtor side only, not on liability side. कभी कभी liability side भी देते हैं, हमने देखा है. But here 4,000 I had, and new BDR I am going to keep 1,000. So how much is reduced? How much you have to reduce? 3,000. So credit side of revaluation. Okay. So this is adjustment number 4. Number 5. Value of stock in the books is 1,000 more. मतलब cost price in the book is 1,000 more and market value is less. So stock decreases, revaluation debit side. Okay. Book value is more, children. It is to be recorded at the cost. So value is 1,000 more, and this 1,000 more means it is reduced by 1,000. And in the balance sheet, we are going to record how much stock? 34, 35 minus 1. Workman claim. Okay, adjustment number 6. Adjustment 6. Workman compensation fund. बैलेंस शीट में कितना दिया है? देखो. In our old balance sheet, they have given workman compensation fund 17,000. And adjustment, how much I have to pay? Claims, how much I have to pay? Claims means payable amount. How much I have to pay? 7,000 only. So no problem. I have in my hand old reserve 17,000. And I have to pay only 7,000 to the worker. So 10,000 is left. And this 10,000 left will be distributed among partners in old ratio. Capital account, credit. Capital account, credit. जो भी रिजर्व बचता है वो हम लोग पार्टनर्स को ओल्ड रेशियो में देते हैं, क्रेडिट साइड. उनका पैसा बढ़ेगा, दे विल इंक्रीज देयर क्रेडिट साइड. Okay, then last one. 12,000 is to be paid immediately to Siddhi, means to cash. Siddhi we have to pay 12,000, so here we will draw 1-2 line cash account or bank account, because she will take 12,000 and the remaining amount she will give as loan. It is to be understood. The बाकी का 12,000 we will pay and the remaining, whether if there is something remaining or not. that will be paid cash. Okay, so this is the working. Once again, very important. To draw account, it will take only 10 minutes if you are very much thorough with the working. Old ratio given, new ratio given, so gain ratio. In gain ratio, when I worked out, I came to know okay, by 1 is minus. Minus means when you find gain ratio and minus means sacrifice, and the other one is gain. So Lakshmi will get the full amount as gain. Now new value of goodwill is 60,000. So see, this share in 60,000 is 2 upon 10. How I got 2 upon 10 in old ratio? Okay, so 12,000 Siddhi will have to get. Now V's share 1 upon 10 gain, sorry, sacrifice. So 6,000 again he has to sacrifice. Lakshmi is the only gainer.